Columns 8 through 12, we're going to go into different types of delta H formations. So for number 8, we have the equation where delta H is equal to moles times the delta H formation. Right here, I've given you the delta H formation for carbon monoxide. So solid carbon reacts with oxygen gas, forming carbon monoxide gas. Calculate the change in enthalpy if you react 20 moles of carbon monoxide. So it's easy, you're just doing 20 moles times the delta H formation. This is all going to lead up until the end of this section, which is where it gets hard. Right now, this is pretty easy. 20 times that, negative 110.5 kilojoules per mole. Your answer is negative 2,210 kilojoules. For number 9, same thing. Multiplying the moles times the delta H formation, which I have provided for you again. So you have delta H is equal to 3 moles times negative 5,640.9 kilojoules per mole. Gives you an answer of negative 16,922.7 kilojoules. Where's the sig figs in that? There we go. Negative 16,900 kilojoules. Sig figs. Yay. For number 10, we have, again, moles times delta H, but this time we're giving you grams. So first you have to convert grams to moles. So I have 400 grams. And then on the periodic table, you can find that you have 99.95 grams of calcium carbonate. If you look it up on the molar mass of calcium carbonate, so then you convert to moles. And then you put your moles times the delta H formation, which is negative 1,206.9 kilojoules per mole. Your answer will come out to, big number, negative 4.83 times 10 to the third kilojoules. Number 11, decomposition of water. Calculate the change in enthalpy if you decompose 8.10 times 10 to the second grams of water. Your delta H formation of water is negative 285.8 kilojoules per mole. So the moles you get from grams. So we know that the molar mass of water is 18 grams. And the delta H formation is negative 285.8 kilojoules. Multiply those numbers out. Go ahead and round for sig figs. So you have negative 12,800 kilojoules. Number 11, for the photosynthesis reaction, where we're taking carbon dioxide plus water, producing sugar and oxygen. You're going to have the delta H formation for this reaction is negative 2,803 kilojoules per mole. And since we're given 6.2 times 10 to the second grams of glucose, you put that number into the periodic table, try to figure out what the molar mass of glucose is, which is 180.16. Make sure your grams cancel out. You have moles left over, so then you multiply those moles times the delta H formation for glucose. Your answer will come out to negative 11,200 kilojoules.